whatever God has placed in your hands can go a long way to make a difference. Hunger and poverty is not only the fight of the government, but it's also our fight as ministers of God. Hunger and poverty is not the fight of the government only, but it is also our fight as ministers of God. If we are only looking at the spiritual side, fighting demons, we have not looked deep enough. There's also the physical side that we need to look into. If we are just busy complaining, lamenting and murmuring, when we look at our society today, we have not looked deep enough. A little contribution can make a big difference. When you look at the world today, when you look at even the government, you see that only the government needs to promote agriculture, promote this, promote that. But it is our call too, as ministers of God. We must do good to change the bad. Instead of complaining, let us help to support the government. We are also part of the government. The government is you. You are also part of the government. You are also part of the government. As Christians, what makes a man a good Christian also makes a person a good citizen. As a good citizen, we must support the government because the government today are human beings. The fight of hunger and poverty is not for the government alone, but it is a call for us to, as Christians, to support the government. We must do good to change the bad we see. A little contribution can make a big difference. I may not have enough, but I am so glad to see that there are people in need of the little I possess. If you look at the ministry, you will see that there are many things we need. We still need musical instruments, we need this, we need that. You see how we struggle. But we should not hold ourselves because we lack this thing. That means we should not give. Hallelujah. Amen. No matter how poor you are, there is something still in your hands for you to give and support. The widow had nothing, but the small she had, she gave it all. Whatever that is in your hands, if it is not a harvest, make it a seed. Whatever you have seen God doing through me, without love, all is nothing. Even if I have faith to move mountains, whatever you have witnessed today with your own eyes, without love, I have accomplished nothing. I have accomplished nothing. So today, the Solution Ground and the Rainbow Covenant Ministry will be joining hands with the government to fight against hunger, poverty, and promote agriculture. This is where we are from as Africans. We should go back to it because this is where our resources and our financial support lies. Let's go back to farming. This is a prophecy. Go back to farming. If God wants to do something, I need to come and do something about it. Hallelujah. I should not just come and say, this is what I am seeing. This is what God is showing me. Let me be the first to support the government. So this is a prophecy to the government. Go back to agriculture because something is coming that will hit the nation. Keep this prophecy. It is coming that will hit the nation. Let us all go back to what? Let us go back to farming. When there is food, there will not be war. Listen to wisdom. When the stomach are empty, they will go to the streets. This is a prophecy. When the stomachs are empty, they will march to the streets. But when the stomach is full, there is no need for war. So this is a prophecy, and I'm talking to the government. I'm talking to the people who may be small, but let's go back to farming. So in order for me to do that, if God has shown it to me, let me be the first to support it, to see how it goes. Amen. The government can take it from there. So God bless you. So my mothers, thank you so much. May God continue to empower you to begin to feed the nation. May God continue to empower you to begin to feed the world. Because of you, we can fight against hunger. Because of you, we can fight against poverty and unemployment. May God empower you as you go with these tools to do farming. Whatever it does, let it prosper. Amen. Let your harvest keep multiplying. Amen. Let your harvest multiply. Amen. Let your harvest multiply. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen.